Okay, good morning everyone. As was mentioned, this is the first Philippine-Japan wireless workshop on radio antennas and technologies. So I'd like to thank our Japanese guests. I know that there were Japanese guests of ours who were not able to come because of flight cancellation and flight delays. So I'd like to acknowledge Omiya Sensei, Takuji Sensei, Hirokawa Sensei, and Honda-san. We're able to make it to our, this time. We're expecting our other Japanese guests to be able to make it and join us in our workshop. Filipino and Ohayou gozaimasu. Before I speak further, let's take a look at this video that I got from both countries' tourism agencies. Tourism agencies, we can probably say that we want to combine what being fun is in the Philippines with the endless discovery that happens in Japan. The theme for our the theme of our workshop is actually to bridge the research between Philippines and Japan in the area of antennas, propagation, wireless, and radio technologies. So with that, I'd like to say welcome to everyone again. We say that in in Tagalog as mabuhay and konnichiwa to our Japanese guests. We have several sessions, okay, from radio spectrum management, antenna applications for space, traditional antenna topics, propagation, wireless RF, including radio technologies for 5G, and even antenna measurements. So we have two days. Okay, half of the sessions will be covered today, while the others are tomorrow. We have 26 oral presentations, as well as poster presentations. So we ask everyone to engage with all the participants, not only during the sessions, but also in our banquet tonight. So let's make our workshop, PJWWRAT, to have more fun with endless discovery. So again, welcome our guests, mabuhay to everyone, and konnichiwa.